All right, we close out the work week on a pretty good note weather-wise, and it's going to continue into our weekend. For St. Patrick's Day, we're looking for a chilly morning with some frost out there, but some sunny awesomeness in the afternoon. We'll melt a lot of snow across the Southern Valley and even the north warming up too. Sunday looks pretty decent. We'll see a few more clouds and a setback in temperatures, but early next week, Monday and into Tuesday, a chance for some measurable snow, but it looks like shovels as opposed to snow blowers as far as amounts are concerned for our area. More on that in a second. 25 right now in Fargo with a wind from the north-northeast at only 6 miles per hour. Elsewhere, Langdon at 14, 21 Valley City and Jamestown. You have 18 degrees this hour. Holding in the mid-30s in Fergus Falls right now. 22s in Badette and Bemidji with 25 in Roseau. The big picture, one storm system moving through the Central Plains causing severe weather in Missouri today, bringing snow now to northern parts of Illinois. Quiet over our area. We had some snow earlier out in western portions of South Dakota. Freezing rain and ice event there, covered up by snow and some slippery white knuckle driving there. Now, as we take a closer look, the snow well to our south, southernmost Minnesota seeing some, but for us, we're staying fairly quiet. We have a few more clouds in our southern counties, and our hour-by-hour forecast shows overnight those teens will settle into the valley, and that's where most of us start. A few of us could be in the 20s, but the best chance of that will be south and southwest. And there could be some isolated patchy fog setting up as we go through the night with quiet winds. The best chance will be to the west in eastern North Dakota and a few spots in the low-lying Red River Valley. Other than that, as we're getting ready for our day and getting ready for the St. Patrick's Day parade in the FM area, we'll pause things at 10 o'clock. Temperatures will be rising well into the 20s, fog burning off, and it looks like a very quiet day with winds under 10 miles per hour. And then the temperatures really surge as we go through the afternoon. Best chance for the warm stuff south, the southern Red River Valley, and out to the east. Look at this, Bemidji 43 in the afternoon. I think we have a shot at some mid, maybe even some upper 40s. Look at the Fergus Falls area here. The model says 42, but that could be significantly warmer thanks to the lack of snowpack in your area. So your planner for Fargo, 12 chilly degrees with some frost in the morning. Then the temperatures ramp right up there. 41 in the afternoon, wind southwesterly at around 5 to 15 miles per hour. Hometown forecasts show a lot of mid-30s across eastern North Dakota, but get into the southern Red River Valley from the Fargo area down into Wahpeton and Lakes Country. It looks delightful and will melt a lot of snow. Here is a look at Storm 1 that's moving right now into Illinois. The second storm is just making landfall in the southwest United States. As it makes its way across the Rocky Mountains, it'll move into the southern plains, but we'll have some activity beginning Monday, mainly in the afternoon here. With the snow most prolonged in western and central North Dakota, it does last into Tuesday here in the valley. We're talking many of us seeing 1 to 2 inches of wet snow. A few areas could see more of that, mainly to the west. Maybe a scene like Tiffany's photo here from Comstock. Thanks for sharing your photo, Tiffany. Sunday, we cool off a few degrees. We may see a few more clouds. Then as we start the work week, as mentioned, the snow begins out west, pushes into the valley late in the day. We could have some accumulations by Tuesday, and that's the way things are looking. As we close out the season of winter, it does look like we'll get some more winter before it's all said and done, you two.
Okay, thanks, Hutch.
You bet.
America